Alright folks, what's happening? Welcome back. No, it's been a while since I made a video about the K24 RSX, but basically here's what happened. Went to make a video maybe last week fixing the evap leak, but basically what happened was that it didn't go away. So what I ended up doing, I'll show you here. I took the manifold off and I basically put this Permatex spray on everything now. So this is basically a filler gasket, so it'll fill the lines. That won't focus, whatever. But it should fill the lines. And then here's my Honda gasket, and this rag is just to keep the fuel from leaking all over the house. And then this side of the, I also went around the throttle body with a wire brush, one of those wire brushes, and I went ahead and scraped this up. So I scuffed the surface just a little bit. I don't know if you can see how well I scuffed that. But I did that also just to make sure that the surface had a nice place to set for the gasket. Other than that, I'm about to go throw that in and see what it does. Hopefully it fixes it. Whatever happens though, this video will be going up. Came with food. She got that needle burrito, and I am excited to eat it. Yum, yum, yum. So we'll get back to the car once we finish eating the food. Alright, back from eating, and it's time to get back to it. I'm just going to go ahead and reattach this manifold, show you what it's done. Alright man, got that out of the way, and now it's just time to go ahead and throw the throttle body back on. I'm going to reapply some Permatex to that side of the throttle body, and after that we'll see what happens. Okay, so that's what the Permatex looks like when it's sprayed onto an object. Alright guys, so now it is time to go ahead and take the wheel off and check the axle, make sure that's all the way in, which I don't think it is. I'm just going to smash the axle in, so that's what I'm getting to. Bye-bye. Alright guys, so the car still has the so-called vacuum leak. I think it might actually just be a tuning problem. I think it might be something along those lines because everything is sealed correctly. That's for sure. I actually went around the entire intake manifold, throttle body, and underneath the passages to see if it had any vacuum leaks with some throttle body cleaner and some starter fluid. Nothing changed. It still had the same consistent idling. Consistent annoying ass idling. So I went on to the axle to see how that was going, and the axle's got a good bit of wobble, so that explains the thumping while driving. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and grab another axle, try and throw that in and see how that works. I think that's all for today though. I don't really know what else I can do today and don't have another axle, don't have a tune to throw on there. But we shall see. But thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it. Comment below if you want to see something specific. Peace out. Disgrace, nigga. Nigga, you a disgrace with that damn car.